What's up, Wonders of London, and what's up, YouTube? We are back again outside one of the most famous palaces you can find here in London. You're also looking at one of the oldest palaces. This is known as St. James's Palace. Now, it is the official address of the Queen of England, but actually in reality she doesn't really live here. She lives a bit closer to Windsor Castle, in fact so close that she lives inside of it. However, this was once inhabited by King Henry VIII. He had 6 wives, not all at once, I will point out. He was, well, he kept himself busy, I suppose, with 6 of these wives. It certainly did go through him. He also murdered 2 of them, both Anne Boleyn and Catherine Howard. And Catherine Howard was only 17 years old. But nonetheless, you can find out a lot about King Henry VIII with us here at Wonders of London. And I will also say that a Game of Thrones character was based loosely on him, which would be Robert Baratheon in Game of Thrones, which I'm sure many of you guys have seen. Seems like we have a bit of roadworks going on today here at St. James's Palace. And this palace was built in the 1500s. It is brick and tile work. You can see this kind of really plain red brick design, but for the time it was marvelous, and really London had not quite seen anything like this, as it was before the infamous London architect Sir Christopher Wren got involved with London, and as I say, single-handedly redesigned London after the Great Fire. But we did have our original brick and tile industry start up in the east in Brick Lane, which is now a wonderful place that you can go for Indian cuisine here in London. If you wanted to get here and come and check out St. James's Palace yourself, well, you can do a couple ways. We pass through here on our Ghost and Haunted History tour with Wonders of London, but you can also come to St. James's Underground Station, which is on the District Line, or indeed Green Park. Folks, I'd like to thank you very much for watching this Wonders of London video. Thank you for checking out our YouTube page, and of course leave us a little like, leave us a subscribe, and we'd very much appreciate that. We'll catch you guys a little bit later.